Todd with Yamaha Corporation of America. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and we're talking about Provisionaire. Our Provisionaire suite of software is our software that we use for both design of our open architecture DSPs and configuration of our power amplifiers, DSPs, speaker systems. All of our networked hardware is all controllable and configurable from Provisionaire. From our open architecture DSPs to our fixed architecture power amplifiers and speakers. Really cool stuff. Our other software in the Provisionaire suite is Provisionaire Control Plus. This is the software that we use to set up control systems for our hardware. So think touch screens, think control panels that you would use on any kind of control panels. For example, our TCD10, if you follow me over here, is our newest touchscreen controller that we're debuting here at the show, where I am selecting all of these different speakers you see here on the wall. I can control their volume. Really cool stuff, and that's all happening in Provisionaire Control Plus. There are several other versions of Provisionaire as well that do various different applications with various different programming features of what we do. But yeah, Provisionaire Design, Provisionaire Control Plus, and that's what we've got here at the show, InfoComm 2026. You can check all that out at usa.yamaha.com.